Hi there, I'd like to explain to you about my Kangen SD501 Platinum machine and tell you what it does. Firstly, you can install this machine to any style faucet in your house. So you can use your regular tap, but when you turn this little handle here, the water runs through your Kangen water machine. And then, depending on which button you press, two different types of water come out of this hose or this discharge faucet. Now, I'm going to take you through the different types of water that this machine produces. Firstly, if you press clean water, this is the clean and tasty water for taking medications, or you can even use it in baby formula. And also clean water will come out of this discharge pipe simultaneously. Now, when you first start using this machine, you're going to start at about an 8.5 Kangen water.
Kangen water, 8.5.
This is 8.5 pH drinking water. Eventually, you're going to move to 9.0.
Kangen water, 9.0.
And lastly, 9.5.
9.5.
So, by using any of these three, you're going to get microclustered high alkaline water, which hydrates your brain, letting your brain produce melatonin, which helps you to sleep. Drinking it on a daily basis also allows your body to produce serotonin, which boosts your energy all day. Acid water sounds scary. It's not. Acidic water will come out of this hose here when you press the strong acidic button.
Acidic water.
This acidic water has crazy cleansing power. Use it to kill bacteria in your kitchen and emulsify oil. It has the ability to kill 99% of Salmonella, E. coli, and staph bacteria. Use it to clean marble, granite, stainless steel, and it will out-clean most of your harsh chemicals that are already in your kitchen now. Oh yeah, if you have skin fungal infections, or even if your pets have rashes, you can use this water topically. Also use it to sanitize your hands. The next one we're going to press is called Beauty Water.
Beauty water.
What's the beauty water used for? Use it as a toner for your skin after washing your face. You can spray it on your face throughout the day and it's going to tighten your pores. Notice that your skin is going to become so much more hydrated throughout the day. Also, when you press the acidic water button,
strong acidic water,
cleansing water will come out of this faucet while the acidic water comes out of this hose. The cleansing water is 11.5 pH and it cleanses pesticides, insecticides, and wax off of your fruit and vegetables. Did you know that your produce can last 1 week longer after it's been washed with this cleansing water? It also cleans fish and poultry, giving it a fresh and delicious flavor. It can also remove food stains like coffee and tea. Now that you've seen what this water machine can do in your everyday life, we understand why athletes and doctors choose Kangen water. You'll also understand why we say change your water, change your life, because that's literally what it does.